good afternoon. Would you like to introduce yourselves? You are.
I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Heidi.
How old are you, Heidi?
9.
Good
nearly
girl.
10.
Nearly 10. That's important, isn't it?
I'm India.
Hi, India. Right, so you three guys, with Daddy, who's off camera to the right, too camera shy. You guys have just done 4 cycle days around Umbria and on e-bikes. Now, I'm going to concentrate on Heidi here. Tell me about your e-bike, Heidi.
My e-bike was very good.
Very good. What do you like?
I liked how it was electric. And I liked turbo a lot. But then I also like being challenged. So tour was a very good mode on the flat.
Excellent. And what was the best bit of your 4 days of cycling?
The best bit was the view.
Yeah,
and
the views were
everything.
good, weren't they?
Yeah, everything.
Really? And you cycled a long, long way, actually. I haven't got the statistics yet, but I think you've done something like 120 miles, 130 miles. Did you know that?
No.
We didn't tell you that much, did we?
Excellent. And so from a mum's point of view, Sarah, how did you go on sort of with Heidi and stuff?
Amazing. At first I was a bit worried about the electric bike with Heidi because I was sort of thinking, would she be in control? And it was amazing. As soon as you stop pedaling, the power goes off, and it meant that when you sort of get tired at the end of the day, we could say to Heidi, you go up a mode from us. And she didn't do any whinging about being tired, did you?
No.
And it was amazing. It meant that as you're going up the hills, you can look at the view, we could stop and take pictures, and we could carry on. It was really good, like really, really brilliant. We loved it.
Do you mind if I ask, how old are you?
I'm 13.
Excellent. So how were you doing chasing Dad?
It was okay because whenever he was in like tour, I'd go into turbo and go really fast behind him. And then, I didn't. It was really lovely, and the views were so pretty, so we'd stop a lot. But then it was okay to like, keep going and you could ride how you liked. And it was really nice.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. I'm delighted you had such a wonderful time, and I'm glad the sunshine came out today. We've had a bit of rain today, but you missed it. That was good.
We were at lunch.
Great stuff. Well, thank you very much, guys. Really lovely to meet you, and hopefully we'll see you again.
Oh, thank you.
Ciao.
Ciao. How do you say ciao?